Alright, this is game 2. Deletor Binodal versus Great Natures. Didn't use the combo, but we still got it because delete. Strunk mechanic. That's all I could say.
Return 2.
Not a bad hand. Can't really complain. Screw you, robot. You're not the main character anymore. You can get the frick out of here.
Genesis! Nubatama!
You just realized you're not gonna play Genesis anymore.
Yeah. Well, I didn't realize. I knew that. I was just saying Genesis because it's the main character.
Go ahead, my dude.
Draw. I ride a hamster. It's happening!
What's happening?
The hamsters.
Oh, okay.
No, right.
Go ahead.
Aha! I have defeated your power!
Oh, it actually comes a booster from it's 15?
Yeah. That's 20, because of the +5.
How's it get +5?
Because this is
Pencil Hero?
No.
It's Squire.
The +5 is
Pencil
for...
Squire
is in
+5?
Soul. He is +5.
Never mind. That's good to know.
Yes.
Go.
Harminger. Doesn't do anything. Oof. So 2. Okay.
So this gets a +4 and this gets a +7.
This gets +4, this gets +3. The 5K is Vanguard only.
Oh, okay. Okay. Poopy heads.
Hey, man.
Richard's I'm going. How much?
13. And 4? Wait, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Yeah, I'm at that.
Yeah, what's it?
12. Number.
17.
22.
22.
17.
Yeah, what's it?
18.
Yeah, what's it?
17, that's 22. I'll take that.
Yeah.
Nice. Delete the Vanguard. Bind that face down. No skill. 21 Vanguard.
No guard.
Power, no heal. Bind that face down. At least you get to build back what you lost.
Yeah. Thank goodness for that. Thank goodness for this.
Do they still get the powers or no?
No. Only when I'm on this.
Okay.
Skill. Adding the plus 5,000 power to ham scanning, geograph, and geograph.
Okay.
Retiring Binodal. 14 to Vanguard.
I'll have to take that.
Vanguard for 20.
2.
Front. Front.
I mean, when you get double front, I'm pretty sure you just get it anyway.
So this is 17. 37.
Yeah. Can't guard these anymore.
This was 42. They're both 42.
I know. I can't guard them anymore because you got double front triggers. I'm dead. Game 3.